everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make pirikara moyashi. It's spicy bean sprout salad that you can whip up in no time. No knife or no cooking on stove required, so it's super easy. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this pirikara moyashi. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some leftover for the rest of the week. 400 grams of bean sprout. I like to use the one with the beans. 1 tablespoon each of gochujang, Korean spicy paste, sesame oil and sesame seeds. 2 teaspoons of chicken stock and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. So here, I have bean sprout, washed and drained in food container. Let's microwave this. Put the lid on. Don't seal it tight. Just put it on and microwave. I did 3 minutes at 800 watts. Let's put the one at the top to the bottom and microwave one more time. This time, 2 minutes at 800 watts. Take the cover off and just leave it for a while until it's still hot but touchable. In the meantime, let's mix all these seasonings in a large bowl. Gochujang spicy paste, garlic paste, sesame oil, chicken stock, and sesame seeds. Give it a mix. The bean sprout is still hot but touchable now. Let's squeeze it really well and add to the bowl of seasonings. Take some and squeeze it really well. Salad spinner won't do this job, by the way. A lot of water came out from the bean sprout. Let's give it a good mix. And it's done. Super easy. Let's try some. いただきます。This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Pirikara moyashi is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Let's have plain rice here and egg miso soup here. Anything you like for the main, but I think I want to have toriten chicken tempura. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!